Hello everyone, we're making the famous Dalgona coffee, which is also called the whipped coffee. We both love coffee a lot, we drink it every day, so we thought we would need to make one. We don't have a whisk though, so wish us luck. This is the ingredient you need. Sugar, coffee, milk, a bowl and a spoon. And finally, a glass. Step 1. 2 tablespoons of coffee. 2 tablespoons of sugar. TBSP is tablespoon, right?
Yep.
2 tablespoons of coffee. Well, they have to be instant coffee, I believe. We bought the Canon one, just from Tesco. Well, I'm back. If we'll ever get through this, wish me luck. Why couldn't I even open this? Should be very easy, isn't it? Oh, maybe you don't open it like that. Okay, so it's not gonna be accurate, but whatever. This is for 2 people, by the way. Oh. Next step is hot water, so I have to go and boil it quickly. Be right back. So then I put 2 tablespoons of very hot water in the bowl. 1, 2, and then I start whisking it. You just whisk it and whisk it and whisk it until your arm breaks. My arm is already getting sore. I have to get Emile's help at one point. I mean, I can start seeing that it's getting more foamy, but the color doesn't look right. So, Emile, would you want to help me? It's me again. I got a nice helper and now it looks like it's almost ready, if you can tell. Look at it. Look at that. Well done to Emile. Look how nice it is. Ooh. This looks really good. I'm very excited. I didn't think the spoon would work. I have to say I'm very impressed. But really, this looks delicious. I could just eat it now, really. I mean, like, I can see a few patches. I can't believe somebody did this for 5 hours. I guess if Emile didn't come and help me, I probably would be here for 5 hours. Yeah. Ooh. Yummy, yummy in a bowl. Okay, I think we're done. Next step, we have to get the milk and measure it. I believe it's 200 milliliter per glass. Well, since we're serving 2. So what happens is we're gonna pour the milk in and then dump this in. Ta-da! Very, very excited. Oh, and we made some ice. Look at the ice we got. Star-shaped. Oh! Just dropped a bit already on the floor. I'm gonna put some ice in the glass now. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Move it. I didn't realize how tiny these glasses were when I bought them. 200. We're using this Rocco. Okay. This only goes. Oop. This only. Please ignore that. So this only goes to 160. So I'm gonna. Oh, but that seems like a lot of milk. So like, I'm gonna add it in 1 cup. Oh wow, this is too much milk. Is that normal? Ready? I'm actually nervous. I don't want to mess this up. Watch, watch, watch. Watch for it, watch for it. Ooh, that's satisfying. I'm gonna save some for the other one, so I'm not sure if it's half-half. Okay, looks like it is gonna be okay to put more milk in there. So I'm just... Hopefully this one will look better actually. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more milk because supposedly it's 200 milliliter. I don't want to waste any of this, so I'm just gonna scoop all of them down. What do you think? Oh wow, this one looks really pretty actually. I don't know if you guys can see. I cannot believe this is our second glass of whipped coffee of the day. Hence why I'm acting so jittery. I cannot contain myself. Okay, so I am going to add important ingredient. Chocolate sprinkle. Look. Oh, big chunk. Should I add a bit more? I say yes. Well, it's up to you how much you want to add, by the way. Like, that looks okay. Second one. Oh! It just keeps spilling to the side of the cup. Glass. I think that's good. What do you think? Right, that looks very good. I'm going to... guess I can stir it with this one. Are you ready for this? Ready, set, go! This is like the most almost the most satisfying part. Wow, look at that. The top wouldn't fully melt into it, but that's fine because you're gonna see a bit of the, brown bits. It's still drinkable, still really tasty. Are you happy with this? Because I am very happy. Looks pretty good, I think. I guess I could just mix a bit more. Somehow this one looks a bit light because I added quite a lot of milk. This one looks better, the color. It's not as light. Yep, the whole whisking part didn't actually take as long as we thought. I would say it took us maybe 15 to 20 minutes really. And earlier, just now, when I did it all by myself, it took maybe 15 minutes, so maybe I did get better. The first time would take longer, but just keep going, it will turn into the right color. Magic, which cup to choose? Cheers. It's pretty good.
That's your reaction.
It's my
so anticlimactic.
It's my third. Just to clarify, this wasn't my first glass. Third one actually. The reason I acted like that was because first time when we did it, the last part of recording messed up. So we had to remake it today. That's why my reaction wasn't so big. It was very tasty, really. Highly recommend you making it if you haven't already. Success, minus the spilling. With the effort we put in to make twice, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye! Yeah, I can feel my hands shaking. That's how much caffeine I've consumed today. Look.